Today we will make tofu salad with magic soy sauce. You'll need firm tofu, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber and some salt. For the magic soy sauce you will need sugar, light soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, ginger and pure sesame oil. Start by putting some sugar into a bowl and add the soy sauce and vinegar. Any vinegar will do. And finally chop some garlic and ginger. Add a few drops of pure sesame oil and the chopped garlic and ginger. For the salad, chop some cucumber into little strips and cut up the middle bit because otherwise it will get soggy. And then chop the cherry tomatoes in half. Tear up some lettuce leaves. And that's the salad. And then pour some of the magic soy sauce as a dressing. Cut the tofu into 1 centimetre strips. And then sprinkle some salt onto the plate and add the squares of tofu on the top, and then sprinkle more salt and add more tofu and then sprinkle more salt on top of that. Cook the tofu in a frying pan with some oil, and it will take 5 or 6 minutes each side, and turn it over when it's sort of brown. And then add it to the salad and sprinkle with more magic soy sauce and add some chopped chilli, and then it's finished.